Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, March 31st. This is Miss Cannon coming to you to show you the science for day 2 of week 3. We're going to continue with the topic, what is the difference between a nail and a screw? There is no vocabulary to start with, so I'm just going to start at the top if you will follow along with me. All wedges have a wide end and a narrow end that comes to a point. When you apply force to the wide end, it travels through the wedge to the narrow end. But as this force travels, something happens. The force splits into different directions. Part of the force is directed sideways to push things out of its way. This is why wedges such as axes and knives are able to split things apart. A nail is a pole with a wedge at the tip. When you hit a nail with a hammer, the force travels through the pole to the wedge, and some of the force changes direction. The force that changes direction pushes the wood out of the way. The other part of the force moves the nail deeper into the wood. Okay, so this first part, it's showing you what it just discussed up here. This is the pole of a nail, and this is the wedge part. This is what drives into things and separates something. All right, and then this is the flat part that you put force upon. All right, all wedges push something out of the way when the force changes directions. Next to each of these wedges, write what is pushed out of the way. Okay, so these are all types of wedges. They just told you that. You need to tell me what each of these are separating. So when you use a shovel, what could you possibly be separating? When you're using a sewing needle, what is it going into? What is it separating when it goes into it? Same with your teeth and an axe. All right, B, when you hit a nail with a hammer, why does the nail go into the wood? Explain in your own words. So here's the deal. You need to use this top section, get a better idea, remember, and all you have to do is put it in your own words, okay? You'll find the answer here, and then flip it around into something that sounds like you would have said it instead of what came straight from the passage. All right, guys, if you have any questions today, just let me know. Hit me on Remind 101 or Dojo. I'll be happy to help with anything. And I hope you guys have a great Tuesday and keep up the hard work. Bye, guys.